a simple summer look with no heat.
First we start with our damp hair. I use the 3-Minute Miracle Moist by Aussie. Then I use conceal is to control my waves, but you can use other hairstyling products you can have to create waves. Divide your hair into sections and apply the styling products. Take one part of your divided hair and twist it up and take it to the other side and put a bobby pin to hold. Do the same thing to the other side. You can sleep with them or apply heat if you want the look the same day. I left it on until the next day. So here you have it. It's a messy look, I know. I slept with them and they should be dry by now. I am gonna start by removing the bobby pins. I am gonna apply a little bit of moisturizing sea salt spray by Parlour to help with my waves. Now try to create the look you want with your messy waves. There you have it. It's a messy wave. I promise they look wonderful and I didn't apply any heat to them. My end looks healthy and my hair looks amazing.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.